Audio Jungle.
Wore my worst shirt today. Don't know quite how that happened. What does the line say? Oh yeah. Whoa, okay, that's not the way you do it. That was called a spin.
Let me turn all these f***ing things off. That's how we do it here. We go bareback.
Shuddering f***ers up your back. I mean, when you think about it, it's the perfect blend. Perfect. Bad looking vehicle. Now, of course, you don't normally associate it I would say it's about, you know, going to ballet class and finding a linebacker has actually got the sweetest feet. You know what I mean? It's almost, linebackers aren't rude to say that, is it? A quarterback that can dance. It's really like American football. The quarterback's formidable, but boy, he can dance. His feet move fast. I think that's the way to put it. That's the analogy. Talking about the car, you've got this. It's about the outside, it's about the hood, the engine, the big wheel. With obviously oodles of power, but a lot of weight. Do you just slap away on rambling now, so I have no clue what I'm saying, but that was basically it. Let me just get out and go. Now, they obviously chose this car for a reason. No, she's right, she's listening. Mother hen. Getting the chance to drive the new M3 at Mid-Ohio is really rather special. Not only because this is one of the most enjoyable racetracks. I've had quite good sex here. I haven't had quite good sex here. Maybe I have. Oh, they really are in tune with the fact that drivers are going to be holding on.
To each other. No, you can almost just switch to me.
Maybe what's your... Yeah, rolling. Go.
Combined with the chassis dynamics, how does it perform in the real world? At which point Taylor would signal. There are mums, and then there are really hot mums, right? They both... I can't say that.
Are we stopping at Hyperion at all?
No, I think we're keeping going. Keeping going.
Oh, that looks comfy.
Yeah. And illegal. I hope that this policeman recognises me the next time he stops me for speeding. It's like a girl that says she never really enjoys it, suddenly enjoying it, you know what I mean? Oh! Actually, I don't know what I mean then, but I just wish I had a couple of the Queen's Corgis in the back. Right now, they'd be vomiting everywhere. There's nothing to sniff at. Sniff at? Snuff at? Snuffle at? Oh no, we're not doing that, are we? Oh shit, yeah, we did. Sorry. Where did that come from? That was called Tourette's.
Is your finger dirty?
Respect. Oh. That's not gonna stay. Shit. Same as torque vectoring. Are you getting queasy? Okay, we'll do one more lap. Let's just go slowly through it. They're down on this corner. Don't look down at the paper anymore. Look out the front. What? Okay. Okay. Go on, why don't you jump out right now? Felt a little off.
Okay. This way.
Okay. Taylor, I'll just keep going for a second.